When it comes to twin flames, the idea of a destined connection that transcends lifetimes is both alluring and deeply comforting. Yet this journey is far from predictable or linear. It often challenges every preconceived notion of love, time, and divine timing. One of the most perplexing aspects of the twin flame journey is why reunions often happen later in life, when much of the world might expect love stories to unfold in youthful chapters. But as we'll explore today, this timing is neither accidental nor random. It is orchestrated by forces far greater than we can fully comprehend. And more often than not, the reasons behind these delayed reunions are deeply rooted in spiritual, emotional, and karmic growth. To truly understand why twin flame reunions happen later in life, we must first explore the essence of the twin flame connection, the significance of divine timing, and the layers of personal evolution that are required for such a sacred union to take place. This journey is not just about meeting someone who completes you, it's about becoming whole within yourself, so that when the reunion happens, it can be the transformative and harmonious experience it is meant to be. One of the primary reasons why twin flame reunions are delayed is the need for individual soul growth. A twin flame connection is unlike any other relationship. It is not simply about romance or companionship. Instead, it is a spiritual catalyst that awakens you to your highest potential. This kind of transformative connection cannot occur until both individuals are ready to face the deepest aspects of themselves, including their shadows, fears, and unresolved wounds. Early in life, we are often preoccupied with external pursuits, careers, social roles, and the expectations placed upon us by family or society. While these experiences shape us, they often leave little room for the introspection and inner work required to fully embrace a twin flame connection. This kind of union demands emotional maturity, spiritual awareness, and a willingness to confront parts of yourself that you may have avoided for years. Later in life, many people naturally begin to shift their focus inward. This period often brings a sense of clarity about what truly matters, as well as a deeper understanding of one's authentic self. It's during this stage that the soul may finally align with the frequency needed to attract or reunite with its twin flame. The universe will not orchestrate this reunion until both individuals have reached a level of preparedness that allows them to honor the sacredness of the connection. Consider this. Would you be able to embrace a love that mirrors your soul's deepest truths if you were still entangled in fears of rejection, insecurities, or the need for external validation? The answer is likely no. This is why the process of inner alignment is so crucial. It is not a punishment or a delay. It is a gift of time to become the version of yourself who can fully receive and reciprocate the love of a twin flame. Divine timing is a cornerstone of spiritual teachings, especially in the context of twin flame reunions. Unlike the timelines we construct based on personal desires or societal expectations, divine timing operates on a higher plane, guided by the wisdom of the universe. It is not random, but a meticulously orchestrated alignment of energies, circumstances, and spiritual readiness that ensures the reunion happens at the most beneficial time for both individuals. This timing ensures that the connection unfolds in a way that supports growth, harmony, and the fulfillment of the shared soul mission. One of the greatest challenges of divine timing is the patience it demands. In a world where instant results and immediate gratification are highly valued, waiting for a twin flame reunion can feel like an endless and often frustrating process. However, divine timing is not about making us wait arbitrarily. It is about creating the ideal conditions for the relationship to thrive. By teaching us to let go of the need to control every outcome, it encourages us to surrender to the flow of life and trust in the wisdom of the universe. This surrender is an essential part of the spiritual growth required for a twin flame connection, as it allows us to cultivate faith, resilience, and inner peace. Timing is crucial because meeting your twin flame prematurely can lead to unnecessary challenges. If one or both individuals are still carrying unresolved wounds, karma, or unhealthy patterns, the connection can become overwhelming or even destabilizing. Imagine two people coming together with the intensity of a twin flame bond, but lacking the emotional maturity or spiritual clarity to handle it. The result could be conflict, separation, or even a complete breakdown of the relationship. The delays orchestrated by divine timing are not meant to cause suffering, but to preserve the sanctity and potential of the union. They ensure that both individuals are emotionally, mentally, and spiritually prepared to navigate the depth of the connection without losing themselves in the process. Often, divine timing aligns with periods of stability and self-awareness, which typically come with age and life experience. By the time twin flames are ready to reunite, they have often undergone significant personal transformation. They have faced their fears, healed old wounds, and developed a deeper understanding of themselves and their purpose. This readiness creates fertile ground for the relationship to grow, free from the disruptions and misunderstandings that might have plagued an earlier meeting. In this way, divine timing ensures that the connection is not only powerful, but also sustainable, allowing it to unfold in alignment with the higher purpose of both individuals. Trusting divine timing requires a deep surrender to the unknown. It calls for a shift in perspective, moving away from the fear of missing out to the belief that what is meant for you will never pass you by. The waiting period, though difficult, is often a time of profound preparation. It allows both individuals to refine their strengths, confront their shadows, and align with their higher selves. By the time the reunion occurs, they are no longer searching for completion in each other, but are instead coming together as whole and empowered beings ready to co-create a life of purpose and love. Ultimately, divine timing teaches us to trust in the orchestration of the universe. It reminds us that the twin flame journey is not just about the destination, but also about the process of becoming. Every moment, whether of waiting or reunion, serves a purpose in the grand design of our lives, helping us grow into the people we are meant to be. Another key reason why twin flame reunions happen later in life is the necessity of completing karmic cycles and learning essential life lessons. Twin flames often have a shared purpose or mission, but before they can come together to fulfill this purpose, they must first resolve the karma they have accumulated over lifetimes. Karmic cycles often manifest as challenging relationships, repeated patterns, or situations that force us to confront our deepest fears and limitations. These experiences are not meant to punish us, but to teach us the lessons we need to grow. For many, this process takes decades, as it requires a level of awareness and maturity that can only come with time. When we are caught in the midst of these karmic cycles, it can feel like a series of obstacles, preventing us from finding true love or inner peace. However, these challenges are actually preparing us for the profound connection of a twin flame reunion. By the time this reunion occurs, both individuals will have released much of the baggage that could have hindered their union, creating space for a love that is pure, unconditional, and transformative. The process of clearing karma often involves healing old wounds, forgiving oneself and others, and breaking free from limiting beliefs. This kind of deep, soul-level work takes time, and it cannot be rushed. Later in life, we often find ourselves in a place where we can look back on our experiences with greater wisdom and perspective, allowing us to integrate the lessons we've learned and move forward with a sense of clarity and purpose. Life experience plays an irreplaceable role in preparing us for the profound journey of a twin flame connection. Unlike relationships formed in youth, which are often guided by fleeting emotions or surface-level attractions, a twin flame reunion requires a deep well of insight and self-awareness. These qualities are cultivated over time through the trials, triumphs, and transformative moments of life. Every challenge we overcome, every heartbreak we endure, and every lesson we learn contributes to our growth, shaping us into the people we are destined to be. These experiences refine us, granting us the strength and wisdom necessary to navigate the complexity of a twin flame connection. As we grow older, we often find ourselves more grounded in who we are. We develop a clearer understanding of our values, priorities, and boundaries, qualities that form the foundation for a healthy and harmonious twin flame relationship. Maturity brings with it a greater ability to reflect on our actions and emotions, allowing us to approach the connection with steadiness and purpose. Where once we might have acted impulsively or defensively, life experience gives us the tools to respond with patience and thoughtfulness, enabling the relationship to flourish rather than falter. Moreover, as we accumulate life experience, our appreciation for love and connection deepens. We come to see relationships not as sources of validation or security, but as sacred opportunities for growth and union. This shift in perspective allows us to approach a twin flame reunion with reverence and gratitude, recognizing the extraordinary nature of the bond. By the time this reunion occurs, both individuals are often equipped with a greater capacity for unconditional love, understanding, and compassion. These qualities are essential for nurturing the connection and fulfilling its higher purpose, which often extends far beyond the personal desires of either partner. Life experience also teaches us resilience, the ability to endure difficulties without losing hope. This resilience is crucial in a twin flame journey, as the connection often brings with it intense emotional challenges and periods of separation. The wisdom gained through years of living equips us to handle these difficulties with grace, trusting that they serve a greater purpose in the grand tapestry of our lives. Ultimately, it is this combination of maturity, wisdom, and resilience that allows a twin flame union to thrive and reach its highest potential. The union of twin flames is not merely a personal journey. It carries a profound collective significance that reaches far beyond the individuals involved. Twin flames are often called to come together for a shared mission, one that involves healing, transformation, or spreading light to the world. This sacred purpose requires both partners to be spiritually mature and aligned with their higher selves, a state of readiness that is often achieved later in life through years of personal growth and awakening. When twin flames unite, their love creates a powerful energetic force, one that radiates outward and influences those around them. This ripple effect can inspire others to awaken to their own spiritual journeys, promoting healing and raising the collective consciousness. The timing of a twin flame reunion is crucial in this regard. It ensures that both partners have reached a level of self-awareness and spiritual maturity that allows them to fulfill their shared mission. If the reunion occurs prematurely, before either individual is fully prepared, the connection may struggle to achieve its higher purpose. As we grow older, we often become more attuned to our soul's calling and more willing to embrace the responsibilities that come with living a purposeful life. This readiness is essential for twin flames, as their union is not just about mutual love, but also about contributing to the greater good. Whether through creative projects, spiritual teachings, humanitarian efforts, or simply by embodying unconditional love, twin flames channel their connection into actions that benefit the world around them. Their work becomes a beacon of hope and transformation, inspiring others to live with greater authenticity and love. Later in life, we are also more likely to recognize and honor the sacredness of this purpose. Years of life experience often bring a deeper sense of humility and a willingness to serve something greater than ourselves. This perspective enables twin flames to move beyond the ego-driven dynamics that might have dominated earlier relationships, allowing them to work together in harmony and alignment. By focusing on their collective mission, twin flames transcend personal desires and align with the divine plan, fulfilling a purpose that uplifts not only themselves, but also the world as a whole. The union of twin flames serves as a reminder of what is possible when two souls come together in love and harmony. It is a testament to the transformative power of unconditional love, not just for the individuals involved, but for the entire collective. In this way, the journey of twin flames is not only a deeply personal experience, but also a profound gift to the world. The twin flame journey is not for the faint of heart. It requires patience, trust, and a willingness to surrender to the unknown. While the timing of a twin flame reunion may not align with your expectations, it is important to remember that the universe always has your highest good in mind. Instead of focusing on the when, shift your attention to the why. Why are you on this journey? What lessons are you being called to learn? How can you use this time to grow, heal, and prepare for the love you desire? By embracing the journey with an open heart and a sense of trust, you allow the universe to guide you toward the reunion that is destined to unfold. Remember, the timing of a twin flame reunion is not a reflection of your worth or readiness. It is a reflection of the divine plan that is unfolding perfectly, even if it is not yet visible to you. In the end, The delayed timing of twin flame reunions is not something to be feared or resented. It is a profound act of love by the universe, ensuring that when the moment arrives, it will be everything it is meant to be and more. Trust in the journey, honor your own growth, and have faith that your reunion will happen in the perfect time. When it does, you will understand why every moment of waiting was worth it.